going on, Matthew?
What's up, man?
What's up, bro? What are we doing today? What are we doing today? Shifter bushing. Oh my gosh. Alright, so, let's close that. So, just got the Acuity shifter bushings. Huh?
Let me hold it for you.
Okay.
Feel bad, bro.
Okay, what's going on, everyone? So I just got my Acuity shifter bushings and the shift knob from Acuity as well. So we're gonna be doing that today. Matthew says it's pretty easy, but it looks kind of difficult. What do you think?
It's gonna be easy, bro.
It's gonna be easy. Oh man. Ooh, okay. Damn. This is nice. Let's see the bag. Oh, this feels nice. Oh shit. I almost dropped it. Damn, this shit is weighted as fuck.
Are those the thermal ones?
The what?
The thermal ones?
The thermal?
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know. Damn. Okay, so we're gonna save this for last. We got some stickers. That's the most important part of any install. Shit, make sure you got stickers. Because, you know, rep the brand. Shit is dope. Keep that. Anything else in here? I'm gonna keep this sock thing. This is nice. Okay. So now, this is the part we're really after today. Because these are the shifter bushings here. And again, more. Oh shit! Look at that shit! Woo! Cuties here. Ooh. Yo. Okay, see, this shit is fucking cool. See, that's just fucking dope. All right. Oh man. Oh, this is so cool. Okay, put all that there. But this is what we're really after today. See the shifter bushings. Install guide. Probably. I don't know. I got Matthew's help. So. Oh man. The sticker. Woo! I'm just kidding. Ooh, dude, this shit is nice. This is really nice. And then here is the hardware for it. So yeah, now we're gonna look up how to do this shit. Okay. So hold on, watch your hand. I'm gonna do a little comparison of the, you know, this is gonna be the before. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? All right. So this is the shifter setup. Fuck, I can't fucking speak. Yeah, it's pretty simple. You know, this is the Acuity short shifter with the Hybrid Racing D10 springs. It's already pretty notchy, and I really love the way it feels. Like, driving it's so much fun.
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 And then with the shift knob, the weighted shift knob, I think I'll be able to bang gears a little bit better. So this is just a little before. And then, yeah, we'll see you in the after. Okay, so we got the pin out for that one. Scarred myself in the process, but it's fine, it's whatever. Oh shit, is that it? Is that? Oh, okay, so that's the washer and shit. These get replaced, right? Pretty sure. I don't know. I'm just gonna leave it there. And then just lift up. Oh, just lift up. Yeah, we're just gonna do one at a time. Oh, I see. Okay, so all right, I'm gonna put the camera down. Okay, so this is the part that comes out, right? Yep. Okay, so we got this first bushing out.
English, motherfucker, do you speak it?
Oh, damn, it's kind of. Oh fuck! How did I even take it out? I think it came out like that. But damn, it's like all that grease and shit there. That's crazy. It's not so bad, but it's just gonna be a big upgrade. So I'm gonna put the new one in. These pins are a bitch. So yeah. Okay. So just see, these are the OEM bushings, and these are the new ones. So it's a pretty big difference. These are supposed to be crispier shifts, I guess. See, there's all that grease there. So I don't know, they're not even really that bad, but it's just a nice upgrade to have. So let's throw these into the car. All right, shout out to Matthew, because here
This is the best one I've seen so far. What's up?
Hi, Moises.
Hi.
Okay. All right. Thanks, Matthew. He already has these shifter bushings, so he knows how to work with them. Really appreciate the help. Otherwise, I probably would have been here for like 2-3 hours figuring this shit out by myself. So this is the final pin. Damn, again, shout out to Matthew, the fucking acuity wizard over here. Damn, dude. Okay. Let's do the shift knob now, yeah? Damn. Oh, yeah, I'll probably plug that shit back in. That would be a good idea. All right. Everything else is pretty clean. Damn. Again, shout out to Matthew. Thank you. Okay, I'm gonna go wash my hands so that I can do my shift knob. Oh! Just come here. Oh shit. Now we just twist this off. Damn, look at that. Oh, that's so fucking clean. Yes, sir. Oh my gosh. Oh man, no, I haven't done it yet. Oh shit. Dude, I actually do feel a difference. Oh my gosh. And the holy shit, dude. Dude, it feels even notchier than before. Oh my gosh. Dude, this shit is fucking crazy. Dude. Oh man, so you already know I gotta rep the brand. Woo! Oh man. Oh my gosh. Okay, so now we're finally in the car, going on the test drive because you know you have to. But like I said, like going in reverse, it already feels heavier, and I don't know if I mentioned this already. Probably gonna make fun of myself for it later, but it could also be because of the shift knob. It is a weighted shift knob, and I really like the way that it feels. Like it feels, whew, it's fucking crazy. So now, yeah, now we're gonna go for a drive. Oh my gosh, this feels really, oh, it feels so precise. It feels really clean, or it feels clean. It feels really good. Like, oh my gosh, I've never felt such a good, a good shift. Well, okay, I don't even know how to explain it. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is crazy. Oh my god, it's the fucking, there's the Ford, the electric Mustang. I just saw an electric Mustang, you know, the electric Ford Mustang. That shit is so ugly. It's just moving.
So much fun.
So much fun.
So much fun.
So much fun.
I'm not sponsored by Acuity in any way either. Like, I just really enjoy their products, and I've never heard anything, like, I haven't seen a single bad review. Then again, I don't read the reviews, but I haven't seen or heard of anything bad from Acuity. So they're definitely a high quality, budget friendly brand to like start modifying your car a little bit. Oh man, it feels really good. Highly recommend. affordable, I would say. The shifter bushings were only, I know it, only $70, which is like a full tank of gas for some people. And yeah, I know, but oh my gosh, it just feels really good. Like if you enjoy driving and like modifying your car, I highly recommend Acuity's products. Acuity, if you're watching this again, you should hook me up. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm just kidding. It's fine. It's all for fun. Do a mini poll. Oh my god, it's so fun. So yeah, that's definitely the end of this video, because what else am I going to talk about, you know? So hope you guys enjoy. Be sure to like and subscribe, and buy Acuity. Buy Acuity. I highly recommend their products. Buy Acuity.